Get up and look outside your window.
Oh my God, what?
Huh?
No, I got it.
You see it?
Oh my God, oh my God. That's scary.
What fire? That fire!
That's scary.
That's one. And then there's another one. Look, oh, right, oh shit!
What?
Oh shit!
What?
There's a fire like right next to the house.
What? Where are you?
I'm getting an avocado. Oh my! Wait a minute! Wait, there's a. Oh shit! Wait a minute! I was looking at the mountain, but now if I go look west, there was a big old flame coming up from like the Cottonwood area.
Hey, you know what? You need to calm down and not get me so scared, okay?
Huh?
Calm down and not get me so scared. I'm going to vomit right now. Like literally, I'm going to vomit.
Oh man, people are just parking here looking at that fire. Oh my!
Calm down.
Fucking Christ! When you come down Avocado?
Yeah?
Oh, what a sight! Oh man, I should stop and take a picture.
Where is this picture that you see?
Huh? So now they get everything north. All right, well here I'm gonna be getting home in a little bit.
Bye.
Okay, bye.